Hi,
Where you from?
I'm from Israel.
Wow, beautiful
Wow.
country.
In fact, yes. You?
Yeah, I'm originally from Bangladesh.
Oh, yeah, you look Bangladesh.
You know Bangladesh?
Yeah, I know Bangladesh.
So say, just
I'm an Indian Jew myself. I know what you're talking about.
you born and raised up in India?
I was born in India, but then I moved to Israel when I was like 10 years old. So like I live
Oh,
here now.
so
I'm
you
Jewish.
moved from India with your family?
My family.
Okay. Maybe I got a news from India. Maybe near the Bangladesh border, there are some a place, I forgot the name actually, in that area. Many Indian Jew live there.
Mm. There are many Indian Jews still all around the world and they need to come to Israel.
Why do you think that every Jew must be united in Israel?
Why are you living in Bangladesh? Why are you guys united there?
No, I could live any other country.
Okay, so Bangladesh is more like a Hindu country.
No,
So you guys
no,
have
no,
your
no, no, no.
country.
You are wrong. You are wrong.
So
Bangladesh,
what's your religion?
based on Muslim.
Okay, so India is more like surrounded around a Muslim
Yeah.
country and a Hindu country. So okay, fine. So every country has their religion. And over here, this is just a Jewish country.
Why you don't make a country in India as a Jew?
Because it's more like a Hindu country. It's more like a Hindu Muslim country. In fact, in the beginning, India was only like a Hindu country,
Yeah.
but then like all the Muslims came and joined, and the population in India just became more Muslims. But
You could.
what kind of question is?
I think if you could try to make a Jew country in India, basically where
Why will there be a Jewish country in India?
the place where you are living, in this place, Arabian people used to live. So you try to,
No,
yeah, obviously,
no. It
listen,
it it was always
let
Israel.
me
It was
finish,
always the Jews.
let me finish. The
Tell me one Jewish country. A
te-
Jewish country doesn't exist
I will
because
give you,
Israel is the only Jewish
I
country. Why do you guys want
you talk
everything?
a lot. I will give you answer.
I talk a lot. Well, you're asking a
So
lot of questions.
you are talking over me. Just
Oh my
okay,
God.
why you escape?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Not
W-
you again. Listen, I'm in control. You're not in control.
This is not a decent speech. I was talking, you are interrupting me.
That Israel shouldn't exist.
Palestine also
Do
should
you
have
listen?
right to be exist.
We don't care. Then let Palestine exist. We don't
Okay,
care.
okay. I have a question here. As you said, Israel has right to exist. Okay,
No,
I
we
agree. The way Israel occupied the land, so land of Arabian, land of Palestine, that you could really
Israel didn't
occupy.
occupy
You
any
could
land.
occupy
Nope.
the land of
Nope.
India. What the hell? Why you occupying
Nope.
the land of Palestine?
Nope. Israel is not occupying the land of
See, everybody
Palestine. Nope.
knows, except Israel, everybody
Nope.
recognize that.
No. No.
Look at, ask to,
No.
listen, ask any people out of Israel, they would really explain
No.
everything as well.
Nope.
Yes,
NOPE. Let me say something. Are you done?
I'm done.
So I am going to talk. So, okay. So I think there shouldn't be a comfortability asking Israeli civilians about whether we should exist, not exist, whether this is good, right, or ugly, pretty, or anything about the voted or who's killing who. So I feel like we all have our truths, and Israel knows our truths, even though the world is just showing what they want to show on the news,
What Israel
and it's a
knows?
one-sided. Because we
If true
lost
color come
family in
out,
this war, and
uh,
I lost family in this.
okay,
I lost my loved ones in the war,
I
and
lost
my
many
military
friends.
died.
You could occupy the Indian
Let's
land.
not.
Why are you going to the Palestine land? Go to
Kill
your
Jews.
father's country.
So
Go to your.
so they should go and live in Morocco and start a Jewish country over there. What are you trying to say?
I didn't say that. In Iran, many Jew is still living there.
I don't, not anymore because they were thrown out.
Are you kidding?
Are you kidding me?
They are good, better than in Israel.
Iran and Israel is not in peace. No.
Listen, all religion are welcome to this country. So the people of Jew, they have no complaint about anything. No,
If you're gonna
I
continue talking about the,
know
I'm
your
gonna skip
country.
you.
If true color come out, that's why you won't continue this
You're still
conversation.
talking about the. You wanna
Number.
continue like that? No
Yeah.
discussion for you.
Okay.